Most manufacturers are drowning in data, but starving for insights. Operational inefficiencies and compliance errors aren't just mistakes, they're millions in lost revenue. When forecasting fails, your strategy dissolves. Don't let unpredictable costs dictate your future. Meet DocuVera360, the intelligence layer that transforms manufacturing chaos into actionable insight.
Identify procurement leaks in Q3. Ask complex questions, get instant answers.
Generate comprehensive reports in seconds, not weeks. Unlock total spend visibility. Build custom dashboards that drive massive cost savings. Collaborate across the enterprise. One source of truth, shared instantly.
DocuVera360, moving at the speed of your production line. Impactful results, instantly.